The Macadams Valko Vac Pack is used for vacuum sealing foods in order to preserve their shelf life and retain their freshness. In this video, we will be showing you the safe work procedures, operation and cleaning of the Macadams range of equipment. As with all deli and kitchen equipment, the correct safe work procedures must be followed at all times to minimize potential hazards and workplace injury. Knowing how to correctly inspect, operate, clean and maintain and protect yourself while operating the vacuum sealer is essential for your safety and the safety of other employees. Ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment and that the area around the vacuum sealer is clear of any obstacles or hazards. Inspect the vacuum sealer by first checking that the electrical cable and plug are undamaged and in good working condition, that you are using the correct prescribed sealing bags, and examine the two nylon leveling boards inside the sealer for any signs of damage. Finally, examine the heat-resistant Teflon strip over the element for signs of damage. If any of these components are missing or damaged, or you identify any other potential hazards, do not use the equipment and report this to your supervisor immediately. To operate the vacuum sealer, plug the electrical cable into the wall socket and switch on the mains. Switch on the vacuum sealer and open it. Set the vacuum timer, which determines how much air is drawn out of the bag during the vacuum process, and set the heating timer, which determines the amount of heat required to create an airtight seal. Determine how many nylon leveling boards you need, if any, and place them inside the sealer. These boards allow for level, even sealing of thin products. Now place the product you intend sealing inside the prescribed vacuum bag and insert the bag into the sealer. Place the opening of the vacuum bag over the sealing element, making sure that the full width of the bag is placed over the heating strip and the two ends of the bag are perfectly aligned. Now close the vacuum machine. The machine will suck out the excess air from the bag and make an airtight seal across the opening of the bag. Once this process is complete, open the vacuum sealer, remove the product, and check that the bag has sealed correctly before placing it in the appropriate storage container. If it has not sealed correctly, it is a sign that the heating strip has been damaged or that you are using the incorrect plastic bags. Repeat this process until you have vacuum sealed all the required products. When you are finished, leave the sealer open, switch the vac pack off and unplug it from the mains. Remove the nylon boards. Cleaning the Valko Vac Pack is the next major step. Doing so daily is an important preventative maintenance that improves its lifespan. It is important to follow your company's prescribed cleaning schedule. Once you have removed the nylon boards, wipe them with a moist cloth soaked in warm soapy water. Use this cloth to wipe the inside and the outside of the vacuum sealer, taking special care to not allow water to make contact with the unit's electrical controls. Dry the nylon boards and the outside of the vacuum sealer with a clean dry cloth. Once dried, lightly spray the nylon boards, the inside chamber and the outside casing of the machine with sanitizer and allow it to air dry. Now clean and sanitize the work area around the vacuum sealer. Finally, do an inspection of the vac pack, ensuring that it is in good working order. If there's any fault or damage, report it to your supervisor immediately. Always follow the correct safe work procedures to protect yourself and fellow staff and customers at all times.